What's up, everyone? Dan Rivers, Rivers Capital Group. I wanted to show you this property we just put under contract. We're walking it right now. It's a 2.5 acre lot over off Lake Marion, just outside of Manning. It has 33 boat storage units. It has a huge warehouse with several different bays. It has 2 different houses. One's going to be a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. The other one's a studio type home to Airbnb. And it just has a lot of other opportunity out here, being on 2.5 acres. And one of the coolest parts is there's going to be access that we're going to clear out and put a dock onto Lake Marion, so we're going to be able to have boat access as well. So we are really excited about this one we're taking down, and take a quick look at what we're looking at. Awesome. I'll keep you guys updated on the progress of this one. All right, so this is about a 400 square foot cottage. Obviously got need to be redone. Some beautiful trees. That right there is going to be a 4-bed, 2-bath with game room area. As you can see, the lake's right over there, and we're going to have access in that back corner. And this is a really big lot, beautiful lot. Look at the mature trees. I'll tell you about this deal. I'll break it down once we close on it. I don't like to jinx anything, but this is a really cool deal. As you can see, the home's actually in really good condition. The roofs are good. They just redid all the roofs on all the boat storage units. There's 33 of those. Big warehouse type building over there. Over in this back corner is where we're going to have access to the water, and 2.5 acre lot, commercial property. I'm super excited to see what we can make of this one.